This is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I will show how you can set up parental controls for this device. So first step is to launch settings, then find and enter the accounts category, which is precisely called the accounts and backup. Then go for the manage accounts page and see whether you have any Google accounts added. If you have some, like I do, you will need to remove them one by one. And once there is no Google accounts left, you can get back to the main settings page. This time you gotta go for Google category, then tap at the parental controls option, get started, child or teen, next. In here you have to sign into your child's Google account, so let me do exactly that. So you know the drill, input the email address, then follow it by entering the password to your child's Google account. After that, just proceed with the sign-in as you would normally do. And once the sign or login procedure will be finished, we will need to select the account we have just signed into from the list over here. Then we gotta enter another Google account credentials, but this time for the account that belongs to you as a parent, or to put it in other terms, sign into the Google account that you will use to supervise your child's activity. So do exactly same steps, which are enter the email address, then follow it by inputting the password, now you are getting forwarded to the About Supervision page, which you will need to scroll all the way down and type in the password to the child's Google account one more time. And after you do that, tap at the agree button to your bottom right. Then you will get the dialog window that asks if you would like to allow the supervision. So that's exactly what we are here for. Tap at the allow option, wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. And in my case, something went wrong miraculously, but the second time around it went through no problem. So, I guess disregard. In here we can turn on or turn off some of the apps we already have installed on this tablet, but more or less this step we can skip, since we will be able to do those apply those restrictions later on and with much more convenience. So there is no point in tweaking those things at the moment, especially considering the fact that we most probably are looking to finish this setup as soon as possible. So once you've gotten to the Manage Parental Controls page, if the device that is if the device that is highlighted over here or written in the bold font is the device that you will be using to supervise your child, you can tap at the blue button saying Install Family Link, and the required app will get automatically installed on your phone, or you can absolutely do that manually. So I'll just skip. As you can see now, the parental controls were successfully set up at the child's end. So now you will need to take the phone or tablet, or generally the device that you were looking to use to supervise your child. So here is mine, for instance. Then launch the Play Store and download the free Family Link application. So let me decrease the brightness a little bit so you will be able to see things better. Oh, so what is wrong? Please tell me why you cannot open the... Okay, I'll just initiate the installation from here, which I cannot do for some very mysterious reason. So let me perhaps re-sign into my Google account. No big deal at all. So now, as you can see, the app installation was successfully started. So let's wait for the Google Family Link app to be downloaded and installed. And well, since this app is relatively lightweight one, just under 18 megabytes in file size, it should not take, well, much time at all. So let me clear my notification panel. And well, once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. The only important step that we have is to make sure that you will sign into the app with the correct Parental Google account. And inside the app, you have all kind of controls that are available to you. So let me increase rather manually adjust the camera focus. So in here, you can set the daily device usage limits, downtime routine. So set up the time frames for your child to be able to use their device. You can tweak your child's app experience, so disable or enable certain apps, as well as set up custom app limits and monitor your child's app activity in general. Then you can also apply content restrictions and age filters for the list of following apps, or for the following list of apps rather. Then you can also configure your child account settings, as well as manage devices if you have multiple supervisees or you have multiple people to look after. And you can also monitor your supervisee's location live if you will set up the location access at the child's device, and see the most important stuff at the child's device usage highlights page. Alrighty, so that will be it as far as setting up parental controls on this Samsung tablet goes. We highly appreciate your attention, guys. Thanks for watching us, and bye bye.